You are going to love the 2018 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, overhead console. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.